Welcome back. Let's expand on our node knowledge from previous video and actually create a script file that we can run. Let's just do the touch command here again to create a file, and we'll just call it Script.js. You'll see over here on the left-hand side that I have Script.js in my node folder. Now within this folder, I can now do anything in JavaScript. I can say const a equals 5. Oh, and that's not the folder that I want. We want to open this, and we'll say const a equals 4, const b equals 5, and then we can just console.log a plus b. If I save this, in order to run this script, all I do is node and then the script name, script.js, and because we're in the directory, it'll know what Script.js is, and it'll give us 9. How cool is that? Now, you also see that it exited. It didn't stay in the program. And that is because at the end of the file, once it reads everything and executes it, so the last thing it executes is console.log, it runs process.exit and exits out of the file. Let me show you something. If I did something called a set timeout, which we actually have in Node. If I do node global.setTimeout, I get a function. Okay, so if I do set timeout, I can run a function, again using our arrow functions, and within here I can do console log, and set timeout is cool because it allows you to say, hey, when do you want this to be executed? And that's the second parameter, and I'll say 3 seconds. So if I save and I do node script.js, 1, 2, 3, and there you go, 9. And then process exits. Node is smart enough to run through this. Once this is done, ends the process and comes back to the terminal. Very cool. And again, within Node, we can actually use things that might be useful for us based on what global objects we have. For example, one of the most popular ones are __ dir name. If I save this and run node script.js, I get my directory, node. And I'll show you why that's useful when we start building a server. But as you can see, we have the power of the browser and running the scripts that we want right here in our terminal. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.